Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well with good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very attractive, latest and trendy collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls, for women, for mature women. Many much more ideas of low maintenance hairstyle with beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye, and many much more stylish ideas. Latest ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls, for women, for mature women you see in this video. I hope you like it. Different ideas of haircut in low maintenance. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut. Some ideas layered, deep layered, some ideas step. Mostly ideas in low maintenance hairstyle in undercut and shaved art. Very attractive and stylish ideas of undercut and shaved art. And so beautiful collection of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas funky colors, and so attractive ideas of hairstyling, fine hairstyle, wavy curly hairstyling, messy hairstyle, and beautiful ideas of spiky hairstyle. Overall ideas, latest and trendy and very attractive. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. You look very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it to all over social media accounts. Once again, I request you, if you are not subscribed my channel, so please make sure you do subscribe my channel and like my video. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll try it back with new collection, new idea. Take care and bye bye.